Well, here we are. We have a variety of turkeys here. We have conventional ones and the ones that are raised without antibiotics, and of course we have our organic turkeys, and well, plenty of turkeys to choose. And yet it takes special skill, and one needs to be very good tester in life to choose the right turkey. So it's not very dry but juicy, and once you bake it, the whole family and friends would enjoy it. So as you can see, in real life, people have to be very good testers to choose a good product. Same way, we are teaching people at the Learnix Center to become good testers and choose good products and test those products and make sure that other people, including their family members perhaps and friends, enjoy them. So it's not as easy as it looks, but at the Learnix Center we developed a special methodology that helps people to do it right. We are a state certified school. We explain to people how to become a software tester step by step without overloading them. So, and again, as you can plainly see, we are all testers in life. When it comes to either choosing a turkey or choosing a software, one needs to test it and need to take into account several parameters, and then you're making the right decision. So again, we are a state certified company. Our curriculum is certified, our materials are certified, our teachers are certified, and we can explain everything in the easiest way possible. So please sign up with us and come to our free class and presentation, and have a wonderful celebration. Happy holidays, and enjoy fresh, juicy turkey throughout these holidays, and we'll see you soon.